group along with my sister and most of my friends from my school. Yeah.
Can I ask a favor?
Yes.
Can I ask a share?
Ah, sure.
All right, thank you. Okay, may we have our second to the last?
Good afternoon, Alodia and Josh. And I'd like to ask you, besides from cosplaying, photo shoots or graphic designs, what are your other interests? What is Alodia behind the camera?
Well, I really like staying at home, and then with that time, I try to make artworks or do something like play the piano or maybe study some other form of art. Like right now, I'm trying to improve on making dioramas for figurines. I made a first one and I really like it, so I might be continuing that during my free time in the future.
Besides from graphic designs, what art form are you fond of?
Graphic design. If you call music as a form of art, that would be cool. Yeah.
Thank you, that's all.
All right, may we have our last two to ask questions to Alodia. Please come on stage. Please say your name.
I'm Maki. What makes a good game? What makes a good game?
Well, there are a lot of criteria that makes up a good game. It can't rely on one face of it alone. For example, the costumes. I've seen games with really nice costumes, but once you try the game and the gameplay doesn't really or match to your standards, you drop the game easily. So you need to balance the game story-wise, game design, costumes and whatnot, and especially the characters. You have to develop the characters well.
Okay, thank you. All right, may we have our last person to ask question kay Alodia. Please say your name.
Konnichiwa, I'm Erwin. If you have the chance to cross-dress, who will you portray?
I haven't thought about it yet. If ever I would cross-dress, I've seen a character which I want, which is a guy, but I haven't researched about much about him yet. But what I know about him is he carries an electric piano. Yeah. That's all.
All right, thank you, Miss Alodia Gosingpiao. There you have it. Kayo mga fans, you have the chance to talk with Alodia live. So instead sa internet, now dito sa Fans Day. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Alodia Gosingpiao. Okay, as a special treat para we can go next sa ating big stage, you have the opportunity to take pictures of Alodia with Ashley, of course, dito po sa stage.